Durham Police, how can I help?
I just wanted to report some dangerous driving. 2 youths on a motorbike. They've got hoodies up, they haven't got helmets on, and are absolutely tearing. They're going to cause an accident.
Dramatic police footage has captured the moment a motorcycle thief was thrown through the air after crashing a stolen bike, narrowly avoiding a young family on a busy high street. The incident unfolded in northern England when a 20-year-old young male fled from police on a stolen Kawasaki, reaching speeds of 100 kilometres in a 50 zone. The chase ended when the man, not wearing a helmet, lost control, sending the bike skidding towards a mother and her children.
Speed is 80, it's a medium risk overtake. Medium risk overtakes. Approaching a roundabout, stand by. High risk, wrong side of the road. Through the high street. Right stop, right stop.
Miraculously, they escaped unharmed, though a 12-year-old boy was injured by debris. The suspect was found to have cocaine and cannabis in his system and was sentenced to 14 months in a young offender institution.
First aid kit! First aid!